Video of what and how I do my meal plan for the week. Well, this is for 2 weeks because I have stuff in my freezer, my pantry, my refrigerator already that I can do. Okay, so my roommates, they eat normally. I don't. I get them blueberry muffins, chocolate mini donuts, strawberry Danish, strawberry cinnamon rolls. These are cupcakes for one of my roommates. Her birthday was Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, Saturday, something like that. Anyway, and I get them these balanced breaks, and then I get them these Lunchables. Okay, now, first off, what I'm going to do, oh yeah, and the mac and cheese. Don't let me forget about the mac and cheese. Okay, so this is all my produce. I went and bought a pineapple, Brussels sprouts, tomatoes, avocados, zucchini, squash, jalapenos, cilantro. I will, ow, that hurt. I will dry this cilantro, so I will have it. I have shallots, ground cardamom, mushrooms, strawberries, spinach, what else? Green beans, and I got Napa cabbage. Ow, that hurt. I don't know what it is. Okay, I got petite diced tomatoes because I've used all mine. Eggs. My roommate's cheese for his sandwiches. I got corn tortillas and flour tortillas because I'm making shrimp enchiladas one night, and I'm making something else with these. Okay. I got ground beef because I replaced the ground beef that I've used, and I've used this. I got boneless pork chops. I got New York strip steak. Yes, it was $22.07, but my recipe requires that. And the way you can tell if it's going to have more flavor is by the marbling in the meat. And I got a ribeye steak thin. I got, come over here. I got chicken wings, Anchorage smoked sausage, cheddar cheese, butter, cream cheese. I got me some coffee creamer. I got thisisbomb.com. The watermelon limeade is the best. I got guacamole. I got vanilla. I got elbow noodles because I'm out. I got Splenda brown sugar blend because I'm going to make a apple crumble, I think, tonight. And I've got powdered sugar. And I think that is all of my shopping. But anyway, this is about $189 worth of food, but my meats were high because my chicken wings were $13, $14. I can't believe how high meat's gotten. But anyway, so that's my grocery haul. I will see y'all later. See ya, bye.